So today we've got the car jacked up because we're going to do some work underneath. Starting with this missing piece. So there should be a drop link there. I'll show you in this packet what it looks like. It's this long bar and it's completely missing. It's on the other side, although I'm going to replace that side anyway. But yeah, we're going to get on with that today. And as you can see, I think we're going to have to do some lano guarding to help out with this rust. It looks like it's had a new suspension arm at some point, and maybe even a bottom one. It looks like parts of the bottom have also been lano guarded as well, but it's going to need some more. But let's get on with this today and see how we get on. So lunch break is over, and amazingly it went in really well, really easy. Gonna do the other side later today, but happy with that. So now we know we've got a proper drop link on that side, and then we'll put the wheel on and then do the other one later. So I'm now on the other side. This one does have a drop link in, but I'm going to replace it with a nice shiny new one anyway. So I'm going to undo the bolt here, which basically is a long screw that goes to the top to the bottom, and with it undone you then pull it out and the whole thing just falls out, and then you put the new one in. So let's see how tight this is on. Oh, very tight. Okay, I'm gonna have to use a bigger bar. Okay, so as you can see, new one's been put in on this side as well now. I had to use a pry bar on here to lift it up a bit because of how the car's jacked up. It didn't give me enough space initially to get this one in, but it's now in. We're now going to put the wheel back on, and that'll be that done. I've got bushes for the rear here, however this seems to be okay. I do wonder if those bolts here will rip or break trying to get them out, but luckily they don't necessarily need doing at the moment. There's no play on it, so that's quite good. So yeah, we finished up here on this drop link. We're going to move to the front of the car later, and let's get this wheel back on.